put some respect on my name. Please and thank you.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Drknlvely, aka Robin, and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time seeing this mug and these locks, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button and become part of the Dark Knight Squad. Cause we lit over here. I'm your good sis, you're my good sis. It's 4:11 p.m. on a Sunday. I split my hair into 4 sections and I'm going to attempt to do barrel rolls on my Sisterlocks. Yes. Do I love myself? I do. I love myself a lot. I feel splitting it into sections will make it a little bit more feasible because I did it. I did this before. Like I said, I did it with the pipe cleaner, so it could be done. It's a tedious task. And it's like, did I sign up for this? I did. I signed myself up for this. I'm giving myself, I'm not gonna sit here with you guys this whole time because don't nobody have time for that because I have other things to do. I will come back and check in with you guys periodically as I go through. So it is 4:30 on a Sunday and I love myself because I decided to do this. Yes! Let's get it done. I started in the front, but I'm not gonna stay in the front. I'm gonna do the back first. So we're just gonna put this up so I can stop falling in my face. There, cute. I have my carpal tunnel gloves on because this really helps with the motion. So I've got the back for the most part done. I'm doing my big one with this one. So we've got a section done. I cannot wait to do this side. Once I do this side, then the back is done. So I will probably finish the back tonight. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cook and we're gonna enjoy. Yes. Get into it, baby. Yes, these are really coming in handy in regards to not letting my hands get uncontrollably like stiff. So yes, 10 out of 10 would recommend these. Some of them, they're not all perfect, but baby, get into it. Now we're about to do this side. So I'm gonna put this down. I need to be able to see. I'm very weird. Not weird, but I need to be able to see. So this is obstructing me from seeing. So we're gonna pull this over here. Yeah, she's gonna eat, literally. Cannot wait. We did it, Joe. We did it. The back is done. I really would like to finish. I really would. Should I finish? I think I should. I think I'm just gonna finish, you guys.
All right, here we go. You can use a rubber band for each barrel roll, but I didn't. I just used my locks as an anchor. As you can see, I take 2 locks and then I start to wrap it around. And then I just get it going. And then as I'm wrapping around and wrapping down, I'm pushing my work up back to the base. This needs to be taut, not tight. As you can see, my retie is crispy. My scalp is already sensitive. I don't want any tension. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping and pushing up. If you look closely, I didn't do a great job because there are gaps in my barrel roll. So the key is to not have gaps in your barrel roll. But hey, I'm doing this on myself. So what you have to do, and the part that is tedious, is when you are switching and you're done with that lock that is no longer have enough length to continue wrapping around. So you just have to hand it off. You drop the short lock and then you just pick up a long lock and you just wrap it around that short lock. Hopefully that makes sense. Now here is the most complicated part. The end. You have to wrap the locks back up the barrel roll. So you have to hold the butt end of your barrel roll taut in one hand as you wrap the hair back up the barrel roll, and you secure this with a rubber band. You could do it. It's just going to take some time, and you have to make it look as neat as you can stand because you are doing this on your own hair. If you're doing this on someone else's, it's a little bit easier. Just take your time, smooth it out, make sure those ends are flush with the barrel roll, and then just secure it. I have fat ends, so if you do not have fat ends like me, this process will go much more easier than it did for me.
Y'all, I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared. So please don't be scared.
Excuse my nails, they make it a little more difficult to see, but as you can see, I dropped that piece, put it into the bulk of my other hand, grabbed 2 new locks, and then I adjusted. See, I'm adjusting. Take as long as possible. You need to make it look as neat as possible. You can see it's a little bumpy, but it's not that bad. And then you just wrap into the length and where you need to stop. Do you see that?
Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared. So please don't be scared.
Okay. The one in the front. So I want this one to be as neat as possible. I'm gonna grab 3. Okay. Gonna hold it, and we're gonna continue to wrap. Okay. Okay. All right, we're already to the end of this one. So we're going to start to wrap up. Okay. Okay. We're going to do this, and then we're going to wonder where she's at. Did I unfollow her? Because she has not been in my feed. Hey.
Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared.
I don't even know if y'all put this on me because I have it zoomed in so much.
I did it. It is 1:56. I did it! Yeah. I did that, okay? Put some respect on my name, please. and thank you. Oh my God, I have short hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, the moral behind this video is that you can do anything you put your mind to. Because baby, trust and believe, I got shit done today. And I got shit done today because I wanted to get shit done. And I believed I could get it done. And I'm just proud of myself. Honestly and wholeheartedly. Like, a bitch is getting teary-eyed. I am proud of myself for completing this because I literally just wanted to get the back done tonight. And then I was like, I'll just do the rest tomorrow. No, baby, finish that shit today, tomorrow. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, but I got it done. I cooked dinner. Clock that shit. Clock that tea. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing barrel rolls, curls, whatever you want to call them, on my Sisterlocks. It is doable. It's just time consuming. I really suggest that you get you some copper compression gloves. It really helps with the constant motion of wrapping the locks around them. Yes, comment down below because baby, tell me that you are proud of me because I am proud of myself. I don't need you to tell me, but from what I told you, please clap it up for me in the comments, baby, because I did that shit. I did it. I made it happen. And to some of y'all might be like, girl, you ain't do shit. I did the most today. I absolutely did the most. Comment down below, like it up if you enjoyed it. Let YouTube know that you're feeling your sis. It really helps your good sis out. And subscribe. Let YouTube know our relationship status, that you feeling me, I'm feeling you. And let's share locations. Turn on those bell notifications so when I upload videos, I can't wait till I unravel these for the curls. That's gonna be the best part, honestly, because we love a 2 for 1. 2 for 1, 2 for 1, 2 for 1. Oh my God, I'm gonna have short hair for at least a week. I'm keeping it in as long as it's gonna stay in. And if I have to repair, whichever ones I have to repair, I'm gonna repair them. But some of these are like, girl, but hey, I did that.
Yeah.